Hey guys, so Samsung recently launched two smartphones in its new M series, the Galaxy M10 and M20. Now company is planning to introduce its third smartphone, the Galaxy M30 in India. A recent leak revealed the full specs and renders of the smartphone. This leak was spotted by PriceCart and it reveals that the Samsung Galaxy M30 will follow a similar design language as we have seen in the Galaxy M10 and M20. The phone will feature a glossy finish at the back and Infinity V display at the front, just like the previous devices. However, the major difference here is the inclusion of 3 cameras at the back panel. This could be something new as there are not many devices available in the mid-range segment that comes loaded with a triple camera setup. And second most important thing is its AMOLED display, which is a pretty great feature considering that this will be a mid-range device. Coming to the specification, the report highlights that the smartphone will feature a 6.3-inch Full HD Plus Infinity V display. The Galaxy M30 will be powered by the same Exynos 7904 processor, which is present in the Galaxy M20. The phone will be available in 6GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage. The memory can be further expanded via microSD card slot. On camera side, the Samsung Galaxy M30 will feature a triple camera setup with the combination of a 13MP lens with f1.9 aperture, second 5MP wide-angle lens with f2.2 aperture, and the third 5MP depth sensor with f2.2 aperture. For the front, there will be a 16MP selfie shooter with f2.0 aperture. The Samsung Galaxy M30 will be powered by a 5000 mAh battery and it could run on Samsung Experience 9.5 UX. Connectivity options include USB Type-C port, Bluetooth 5.0, 4G VoLTE, dual SIM, GPS, GLONASS, and more. The phone measures at 159mm in height, 75.1mm in weight, 8.4mm in thickness, and weighs around 175 grams. Although there is no information about the pricing and release date, this device could be priced between 17,000 to 18,000 rupees. And it is likely to be officially launched before the end of the first quarter of 2019. So that is it for this video. Let me know what you think about the Galaxy M30. Also don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this, and I will see you in my next video.